Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to disable contact join notifications on Viber. Without any further ado, let's get started. Here menu. First, you'll want to open your Viber application. Once you're in, direct your attention to the bottom of your screen where you'll see several navigation options. Go ahead and tap on More. This will take you to a menu where you can access various settings and features within Viber. From the menu that appears, look for and tap on Settings. This is where you'll find all the customization options for your Viber experience, including notifications, privacy controls, and account preferences. The Settings section gives you complete control over how Viber behaves on your device. Next, within the Settings menu, you'll need to locate and tap on Notifications. This section is specifically designed to manage all the different types of alerts and notifications that Viber sends you. It's important to access this area because it allows you to fine-tune exactly which notifications you want to receive and which ones you'd prefer to turn off. Once you're in the notifications settings, scroll through the available options until you see Contact Joined Viber. This particular notification alert lets you know whenever someone from your contacts list joins Viber for the first time. While some users find this helpful for staying connected, others may prefer not to receive these constant updates, especially if they have a large contact list. Now simply tap on Contact Joined Viber to uncheck it. By doing this, you're telling Viber that you no longer want to be notified every time a contact joins the platform. Once you tap it and the checkmark disappears, the notification is immediately disabled. There's no need to save or confirm anything as the change takes effect right away. And that's it. You've successfully disabled contact join notifications on Viber, giving you a quieter and more focused messaging experience. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.